are in Jakarta. Okay. After Kuala Lumpur run, we're back in Jakarta. We already finished running for first 3 kilometers in Gubeka. Ngayon, we're looking for the free ice cream, free gelato. At hindi namin siya makita. Ang goal kasi is to hit at least 3 kilometers. But we've exceeded more than 3 kilometers. And by now, we are running with other runners kasi it's GFT day. So may mga events din. Ito na ba? Ito na ba? Ito. Wala pang ice cream. Okay. Tanungin natin. Oh, ito yun eh. Oh, it's still closed. We'll ask. So, yan. We'll keep you posted. Pag nahanap na namin yung free gelato. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Hey. Go girls! Go girls! Naindyang kami, kaya 3 lang kami ngayon. Apakabar Jakarta! We support your dream! Okay. We finish our run. Run ba? We finish our run and it's a failure. Hindi po namin, it's a failure to find the gelato, the free gelato, but on the good side, naka-long run kami ng konti. Nakitan tayo guys. Total 7 kilometers. So, konti na lang, 10 na, no? Sayang. Tapos lakad-lakad pa, no? Oo. Mahaba-haba na rin. Ay, yun nga lang, kanya-kanyang ice cream na lang tayo. Pwede na yun. Pero dito kami sa MR. Tatawid kami sa kapit. So, uwi na kami. Kain kami ng ice cream, adobo. Pag may nag-sponsor ng chicken, mag-adobo kami. Pag hindi, yung tocino. Chicken barbecue pa. Bulgogi? May bulgogi ka? Noodles. Okay. So, yun. Anyway. Salamat ulit sa pagsama sa aming pagtakbo. Good morning, everybody. So we did not find the ice cream, but we found what's this? Ayam. Chicken. Yeah. So most locals come here to eat mi ayam. So the place is very big. Marami pa dun. Yan, puno. So antay ka until you find your space to eat. So this is mi ayam. Enak. Masarap siya. So yeah, thank you for coming again. And see you on our next